Castle Engelhoop in Belgium. Come and join us, Kalakwachero, Kalakwachera, to have a look in this Castle Engelhoop here in Belgium. Yes, we are here at Castle Engelhoop here in Belgium. It's a small castle actually, as you see. Yeah, pwede na to sa akin. Yeah. If they give it to me, then I will stay in this castle. O, diba? Ayan. Pero maganda ang garden niya. Look at the garden. So beautiful. And the other day, we saw some Bambi deer dito sa garden nagtatambay. Maraming mga deer dito kasi forest ang paligid. Look, it's super cute castle. Sino kaya ang may-ari nito? Castle Engelhoop here in Belgium. Ayan o, bibilhin ni Banchotan para sa akin. How I wish. Tapagtama namin sa loto, diba? Ang cute-cute ng castle na to. Ang liit-liit lang niya. Ang ganda. Sino kaya ang nakatira rito? Hindi kami pinapasok. Makikikapisa na kami eh. O diba? O promise ha, if we won lottery, we will buy this castle. Okay? My love? Beautiful castle, Engelhoop. It's just here nearby Eindhoven actually. Look at the garden. I love the garden at this castle. Yeah, so beautiful. May banana leaves pa. O diba? And it's just near here actually. Look the forest in the surrounding. Here where we stay for a few days here in Belgium. In Green Resort. So, ayan, dito kami nagstay. Sa Green Resort is just outside is the Castle Engelhoop of this Green Resort. So, welcome. Bienvenue to Green Resort. Dito maganda. Meron silang swimming pool. Yes, you can stay here as a family. Maganda pati ang mga rooms. And meron mga laruan, games. Pwede kayong maglaro. Pwede din mag-basketball.